up next is this pocket knife. It's just kind of unusual. This is a D. Herder pocket knife in Germany. From what I've seen, this particular company was founded in 1810 and closed up shop in 1958. This to me does not look like an 1800s pocket knife, but still seems pretty old if it closed in 1958. Obviously a advertising pocket knife, and it's advertising for the RT Crepe Cigar Company. I looked the cigar company up and did not find a single thing, but apparently it's out of Topeka, Kansas, which to me is not a particular hotbed for cigars, but Topeka, Kansas nonetheless. Pretty interesting little knife because it's all metal and engraved. As I'm looking at this, I forget what the knife shape is. I don't think this is a pen knife because it kind of does that. This is another leaf blade. It's pretty tight. Let's see if we can't loosen that up with some oil. You heard her out of Olegs, Germany. Apparently there was a lot of different herders, but this one is D. Herder. I'm sorry I don't have, I don't spend a ton of time researching these pocket knives. I have 1,000 of these, literally 1,000. So if I wanted to spend a million years finding out about all these knives, I would not finish in one lifetime. So I'm gonna have to leave that up to the next owner. I do my best. I Google. And that's about it. If there's something more to them, I might go digging a little further, but I'm not going out and buying new books on them and things like that. I just don't have the time. And honestly, I don't have the interest either. Sorry to say. But, yeah, I'm assuming this is all steel. This looks like stainless steel blade. There's not much in the way of rust and stuff on it. Darn nice snap to it. Yeah, that opens much easier. Well made, nothing wiggling around or anything. Gotta be. My just gut feeling is something from the 50s here. One kind of mystery about this, apparently they're quality cigars. Nothing cheap around here. Just a kind of a nice single blade, old school advertising German knife. The one thing I don't know, I have no idea what this is. I don't think it's a letter opener because it's got this guy in here. But it could be. But other than that, it's not sharpened anyway. But there you go. The next knife in my grandfather's collection. Metal, advertising, pocket knife.